We'd like to explain to you a little bit about what Formula Student is. Students design, build and compete single-seater race cars. The competition is made up of dynamic and static events.
The first of the static events is design. It's worth 150 points, and this is where the team justify their design choices to the judges.
The cost of manufacturing event is worth 100 points and serves to show the team's understanding of the manufacturing processes and the costs involved with building a prototype race car.
The business event is worth 100 points. The team has to develop a business strategy for their vehicle if it was going to become a small production car. Now, these three events comprise the static events, and these are then followed on by dynamic events.
The acceleration event is a 75-metre straight line sprint in which the performance of teams is assessed based on their time. The skid pad event takes place on a course consisting of two circular tracks in which the vehicle's handling is assessed based on its time taken to complete 4 laps of the course.
Autocross is an event where teams compete for the fastest time around a 1 kilometre track. Endurance is a 22 kilometre race where there's a driver change halfway through and the fastest time wins.
So if you do everything right, you end up winning one of these.